so I got called out to this 2000 Toyota RAV4. What ended up happening, the battery got installed, and unfortunately it was in reverse polarity, so blew some fuses. Customer did mention that he replaced the 100 amp fuse that is located right here, and he says that the vehicle does crank, but it does not start. So we're going to take a look at the vehicle, start the diagnosis, and see what's going on with it. First thing I want to check is voltage on the battery, see exactly where we're at. So let's see exactly what state the battery is as far as charge is concerned. Okay, so we're at 12.6. That's a fully charged battery right there. Now we're going to move on and start looking at the fuses and see what we find. Let's see if there's anything else that's blown. Alright, so we just removed this fuse box cover, and we're going to take a look at the fuses here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the ignition key, and then yes sir, just to the accessories or the on. So we're going to verify these fuses and see if make sure they all got power going to them. Okay, so this one's out right here. So let me see, check the others. This one's out. Okay, so we got 15 amp and a 20 amp fuse, so we're gonna go ahead and replace those. So there's a 15 amp fuse, as you guys can see, is blown, so we're gonna replace this one. All right, so there's a 15 amp fuse, a new one, so we're gonna go ahead and place that bad boy in here. We're also gonna remove the 20 amp fuse right here. That bad boy's blown as well, as you guys can tell. Put the 20 amp here. Alright, let me take a look at the other fuses here, see how they look. Okay, see here. Okay, so there's no power on these. These look in here, they look fine. This one appears to look fine. Make sure we got power, Alright. 10 amp fuse down here. Okay, power. Okay, so it looks like all these are working now. And all these appear to be working fine. I'm gonna go underneath the dash and take a look. I believe there's some down there as well. Alright, so we're down here and we're going to take a look at these fuses over here. These are on the vehicle itself over here in the driver's side. Okay, so we got another fuse blown here. Actually, no, it's fine. Yeah, so this one's good. Alright, so all the fuses over here check out fine. Alright, so we replaced, we found two fuses that were blown on the main fuse block in the engine compartment. I know when I came and took a look at the vehicle, I noticed that the engine light was not on the dashboard, and I also wasn't seeing a tachometer move, showing me that the computer was alive. So replacing those fuses, let's put the ignition key, see what we find. All right, there we go. We got the check engine light, ABS light, so that's a good sign. So now let's go see if we can crank this bad boy over and get it started. There we go. So that was pretty much found the issue. That concludes the video. Thank you for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe. If this video helped you out, by all means give it a thumbs up so you can go out in the cyberspace highway and maybe it'll help somebody else out. Till next time, you guys have a good one. Bye.